To locate our design tool, first go to lushbanners.com. Hover over the Design tab and select Online Design Tool. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the Lush Banners Gravit Designer account information. The username is design@lushbanners.com. The password is mydesign. Log in with these credentials. Click Create. The online design tool has all the features needed to create a print-ready artwork file. The first row has your primary function tabs, which includes File, Edit, Modify, View, and Help. The design workspace has a basic layout with all the tools needed for a simple design, such as the line and shape tools. It also has tools that are useful for more complex designs, such as the pen tool and the knife tool. Hovering over each icon allows you to see the options for each tool. Also, you will notice that some tools have additional options. Selecting the text tool, for example, will open the text panel on the right of your workspace. You can select the size, alignment, font style, and many other options here. You also have the option to choose the text color and the outline color using RGB or CMYK. For print files, you will want to select CMYK as your color profile. To import your source files to your workspace, select Open Local File and choose the file you want to open. Each element in your template will be on its own layer. You can remove any unnecessary information to have a cleaner workspace. To change the color or appearance of a shape, double-click on the outline. Select Fill and choose the color you would like. Remember, print files should use CMYK colors. To copy the color of another object, you can use the eyedropper tool. First, select the object you'd like to edit. Click on the eyedropper icon, and select the object you'd like to copy from. To add images onto your template, go to File, then open Local File. This will open your image in a new Workspace tab. Select the logo, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy and press Ctrl+V in the template workspace to paste. You can scale and rotate the logo to your liking. You can also duplicate the logo for the other side of the flag by holding the Alt key on your keyboard while dragging. If your logo is in a vector format, you can change the color of the logo to suit your background. Once satisfied with the design, export as a PDF document to your artwork folder at 150 dpi. Your artwork file is now ready to be uploaded.